Eden's Return supplies life support systems and education to families, giving them the ability to provide sustainable organic food, clean fresh water, safe shelter, dependable energy, and reliable electric transportation for themselves. We started our business life in downtown Lansing, Michigan, with 2 restaurants located in the same building. Downtown Subs and Salads and New York Burrito quickly became a favorite for the local community. We offered quality affordable food and a tranquil environment for our customers, mainly consisting of Michigan State workers and college students. We also offered late-night barbecue on Friday and Saturday nights, which became a downtown staple. We started our first business venture in 2007, right before the 2008 crash. Over the next 8 years, we watched as many businesses came and went, some of them becoming very good friends of ours. Restaurants' average profit margin is around 5%. As we began to see our food costs rise every year and our profit margin drop, we decided to adapt our business. As our last lease expired, we made a decision to transition from a restaurant to our organic farm. Our goal behind this transition was to reduce the cost of organic food for all. We started Eden's Return Farm in 2015, and over the last few years we have used Mother Nature as our blueprint for generating quality organic food. Mother Nature provides all the organic inputs and we provide the labor. This has allowed us to produce quality organic food at very low cost. We produce our own free organic compost. Adding this organic matter feeds our soil and is made from leaves, sticks, and grass. We provide our own free compost tea from growing red compost worms. These red worms turn our food waste into worm castings, which is used to make the free organic compost tea fertilizer. Using heirloom seeds, we are able to save and use our own free seeds annually. By setting up a solar panel and wind turbine, we have been able to provide all of the farm equipment electricity needs for free. We provide energy to our plants and livestock in the form of labor, and in return our plants and livestock generate energy for us in the form of food, creating a symbiotic relationship. This has also provided us with a surplus of organic food to sell at the local farmers markets, which covers the rest of our life expenses, giving us a lifestyle that provides health and happiness. Through our learning experiences, we have started to develop a sustainable farming system which can provide organic food for all. We started our Facebook page Eden's Return to share our story and to offer our food bank concept to the world with the goal of reducing the cost of organic food for all. You can start small with the budget you can afford, working your way incrementally towards your goal. We transitioned from a restaurant to a farm 5 years ago and had to go through an incremental learning process, and as we started generating income from our farmers markets sales, we reinvested incrementally towards our goal of making a living from the land that we live on. Our main goal is to point out that the new gold rush could be vegetables and the gold mine our backyards. For less than the cost of renting a 1-bedroom apartment, you could own 1 acre of land, and over 10 years you could save over $65,000 in renting bills by not having to pay rent, save over $25,000 in food bills by being able to grow your own organic food, save over $11,500 in electricity bills by producing your own sun, wind electricity, save over $75,000 in transportation bills by commuting with your e-bike, and you could generate over $1 million in income growing vegetables. With land, you have access to the base materials for growing your own food, wood for building structures and heating, the ability to collect and use your own energy and water, and the extra resources available to grow a gardening business. Selling vegetables allows you to make a good living off the land that you live on. We will be uploading weekly updates on our progress throughout the year. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.